Last week, I was looking for a formula to get the most out of ChatGPT, and after going through so many videos, I have finally discovered what the best way to create a winning prompt. And let me tell you something. I am not talking about a normal prompt. There are a normal ways of doing things, and then there are advanced way of doing things. Similar to Google results, you can to find something on Google is a skill. Similarly, to find something on ChatGPT and getting it the way you want it is a skill also. Now, I'm going to give you a simple formula that is going to change the way you use ChatGPT. This will give you at least 100 times better result without you having to, manipulate it frequently enough. So the formula that I discovered is ROPA. Yes, simple enough. ROPA. ROPA stands for role, O stands for objective, P stands for the prompt, which is the key in the whole thing, and A stands for advanced instructions. You want to be right. So this is a simple ChatGPT formula that you can try in all of your prompts, and trust me, you will change the game. Wanna try? Let's do a few examples. Say you're alright, let's take a situation. Say you're an HR, a human resource executive, and you want to write, say, a joining letter. So a normal way can be, you can say just give me a content of a joining letter for my company, right? I'm sure ChatGPT will give you very good results, but if you want to make it a lot better, something that you were, always looking for and something you didn't imagine it could give you, let's try and compare the formula. All right. So let's do a ROPA formula here. So let me start giving it a role first. So R, uh, or let me say act instead. Act as an HR manager of Google or LinkedIn or Spotify. You can always choose the companies that relates to what you're doing, so that the profile or the tone comes out the way that you want it to be. Uh, and I want to give joining letters to the new joinees, and if you can be more specific, that will be great. So objective. The objective is to give joining letters to the new joinees, interns who are basically interns, just coming out of college. Um, so give me a joining letter content. So this is the prompt. So you see this. This is your role. This is your objective. This is the prompt itself. And now for the fun part. Let's try and do some advanced instructions. Make the content exciting and fun. Use emojis if seems fit. You know, you may argue that HRs do not use emojis in the joining letter. Correct, but joining letter. I'm just trying to give you an example here. This is what you can actually do. So let's say if you're writing something for here team outing, you can always use more emojis, right? So that's how you can do it. Keep it keep it one page. I don't want a very big joining letter. Keep it one page. Um, we are now see, you can also tell them who are you more, so that the tonality, so that the content actually matches to what you're doing. So we are a new company, um, new tech company rather. We are a new tech company with around 100 plus employees, and we have various activities on the flow. We follow a very um, family like vibe, you know. So, so yeah, these are your advanced instructions, right? So now this can give you a letter which is very, very curated to what you're actually doing and to what you're actually looking for, right? So let's try and generate a sample and see what comes out. You can also, if you don't want these details to be filled later, you can also mention the position here. So you can say the position is intern. Join date of joining is, let's say, I can say 15th August 2023. You can also say reporting to John Smith, right? And let's say your compensation starts from say $5,000, right? Fair enough. Too much? Too much for an intern? I'm sure it's too much for an intern, right? So how about $1,000? Yeah. All right. So so yeah, let's see how it comes out, right? So you would definitely acknowledge that this changes the game, and welcome to the company name, family. Oh yeah, I should have provided the company name. You're right. So how about we do this? How about we do this? And we go back to the previous prompt that we gave, and we edit this. Um, Join it with a new job intern coming out of college. So I can say that the company name is Shiitake. Yeah, Shiitake software. It's a mushroom, right? All right, so let's try this. So now you'll see that it will be a little bit better, right? So the recipient's name, all right. You can also give them the recipient name, by the way. All right, so let's try this. Welcome to the Shiitake Software family. We are thrilled to have you on board as an intern at Shiitake Software. Congratulations on embarking on this exciting journey with our dynamic and innovative tech company. You see, the introduction itself is much better. This was the introduction before, right? I'm thrilled to accept the offer of employment as job. It is with a great excitement that I write this joining letter. See, this is a different game. At Chicago Software, we believe in fostering a vibrant and inclusive workplace that thrives on collaboration, so on and so forth. Here are some details you want to get started. See, as an intern, you'll have the opportunity to gain so and so. We take pride in a close-knit community. Brilliant content. I mean, I tell you, this content is, if not more, it's 100 times better content than what came out in the first run. So, like I said, the simple formula is ROPA, role, right? And repeat after me if you can. Objective, prompt itself, right? Which is the game, and the advanced instructions. So if the more you elaborate on the advanced instructions, the more you get out of what you're looking for, right? Now you can apply this formula in any field. If you're a bank employee, you want to ask your, let's say, customers to, maybe clear their dues, the credit card dues, or if you want them to ask for, make their account active. They have a dormant account for some time. If you're a marketing person, you want to sell something. If you're looking to sell a new product, if you're looking to sell a new particular pitch, right? Which is, let's say you're trying to sell a new computer software or a SaaS product or say a physical mobile device, anything that you want to. All these content can be made much, much better if you are sticking to these four simple outlines in your problem. We are going to play with this formula a little more in the upcoming videos, but I just wanted to do a quick one because I have not been able to do too many videos in the past month or so because of so much going on in my life. But I hope you like this one. I hope you follow me for more. And please press that like button. It will always come back to you as a good karma. Thank you so much for being here. Follow this video, follow our channel, and we'll see more examples of this particular formula in the upcoming videos. See you around. Bye bye.